I guess this is what they mean at the edge of the cliff. We're almost up to the top, and then we move down there, and then come down. How crazy is that? Woo, let me just share this view with y'all. What are we looking for? Oh, no rain today. Yeah, during the monsoon season. But I see the cloud like it's getting a bit grayish. However, I'm gonna enjoy the view. Let me turn around carefully because I'm literally at the cliff. This isn't a mountain actually, it's just a hill. I can live here. Can you hear music, guys? Or is it an airplane? I don't know. It's inside the cloud, yeah. Estimated the weather today. It's literally raining. And I'm risking my phone to record. They may have good idea you put it on right now. What a way to spend Indian Day. It's just so beautiful. We started from down here, you know, where the road is leading to the road, the path I mean, and then we came up there, moved up this hill, the second and third and the fourth, come down the fifth, and now we're here. Stop at the moment, but I just gotta have this view. It's just so awesome. This is so beautiful. We're literally right at the top somewhere, and we're now heading towards the other side of the town. Just take a 30-degree. I'm scared. This route is just too narrow for me. Literally, it's too narrow. It's gonna have a bomb time, guys. We're gonna head somewhere and have some picnic somewhere, I hope. Woo! Literally wet. Okay, gotta go. I really get excited when I see moths. I don't know, I just love seeing moths around. Especially when you're wearing uniform, you just see moths anyhow. It's currently, I believe, let me see what time is it right now. It's the Dhuhr prayer. Yay! So I'm gonna go down, pray my Dhuhr prayer, inshallah. then head home. That's the sound of Indian music, but I swear to God, it almost sounded like Afrobeat with the drumming and all. Obviously today, August 5th is Indian Day, so it's gonna be a lot of celebration. Dancing! Have a break, have a Kit Kat.
And this is for the single person. For the single person. 3%. Otherwise,
It's
just
so much.
it takes that for 2%. Because I deny you. Why did you put
You want this one?
No.
Let's take the family.
Otherwise, very cute.
Yeah, like this is like a dome-shaped clay pot. I think inside it, what is biryani? So I believe it's biryani inside with spices. Okay. I need to catch this. Yum, 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 yummy. That is cute. Oh, this smells so good. It will do. Thank you. So we have 3 desserts here. We can really. Oh, okay. I've tasted this custard, and that is Tim's favorite. And baby has this white. I wonder how it's like. It looks good. It's good.
You don't like? Do you like?
I love it.
Okay,
Are you
thank
kidding me? Now let me try mine. Let's
Okay.
try. Wow, this is good.
Do you like? I thought this is from Myanmar.
Baby, you like this one or this?
You can take the
Okay, no problem.
because she said she said like that. If I will go eat, she will say I'm bad.
All right, okay, let's eat. As for me, I like 2 of them, so I'll eat 2 of them. Yeah.